Hi friends, welcome to IMO Videos, Standard 8, video number 116, Logical Reasoning, Section C, Achiever, Toughest one. Let's start. Which of the following options satisfy the same condition of placement of dots as in figure X? It means what? This figure X has dots in certain positions. Now the remaining figures A, B, C, D should satisfy the similar conditions, but there won't be any dot. But the condition of the dots should be there in these figures, like see. In figure X, one of the dots lies in the triangle alone. This one means there is one region only for triangle. Another dot lies in region common to square and triangle. Means square and triangle means there is one region which is common only to square and triangle. And third dot lies in the region common to circle and square. Circle and square means there is one region which is common only to circle and square. So what do you mean is you have to find certain the regions, same regions in ABCD, which one it contains. Now if you check A, B and D, there is no region which is common to square and triangle alone. There is no region. Okay. Whereas in region C, it has all the three types of regions. Means single dot in triangle, so similarly triangle over here. One region common to square and triangle, that is also there. See this smaller region. One region common to circle and square, that is also there. Only circle and square. So option C contains all the options, all the requirements. So answer is C. Okay. Pause this video. Observe it properly because observation is the only key to these problems. Next, find the missing figure which will replace the question mark in the problem figures and complete the series. See this. We have to find the question mark. So this, look at the black dot. It moves two positions clockwise. So 1, 2, okay. Then 1, 2 and 3 now. See here. First it's moved 2, then it's moved 3. 1, 2 and 3. So next it will move 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It will be over here. So it will be the answer is B. And then it will move 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See this. It is correct 5. So B is the answer. Observation is very important. See here, first 2 moves, then 3 moves, then it will be 4 moves. Right? That's why B. There is a certain relationship between 1 and 2. Establish the similar relationship between the figures 3 and 4, means these two figures, by selecting the correct option. Okay. So what you can see, 1 and 2. 1 is a plain square, then 2 is all the diagonals. Remember, square has 2 diagonals. So all the diagonals are drawn. Similarly here it should be, it's a plain pentagon. So all the diagonals should be drawn. In which figure? It is in E. ABCD does not have all the diagonals which are drawn, and E there is a means all the diagonals are drawn. That's why E is the answer. Next, select the figure from the options in which the figure X, means this, is exactly embedded as one of its part. Means figure X is embedded as one of its part. It means what? This figure should be present in some of these. A, B, C, D means one of these. Okay. In which is it over here? No. Definitely no. Here it can be, but this is a reverse figure. Means it's a mirror image this. So you can't take this mirror image. Okay. D, not possible. Because why? See, there is a gap in this. This is a swastik basically. So there is a gap in this swastik. Now in C, yeah, C it is possible. See this. See, this is a swastik, and remaining here we have just shown it dotted over here. So C is the correct answer. Next, select the correct water image of the given figure X. Water image means what? Where will the water be? Water will be here, here or here. Water will always be down. So remember this logic. Means this is kept above the water and then we are seeing the reflection in the water. So just check these figures here. These two semicircles, we can call it, they are near to the mirror. So here also they will be near to the mirror, but in the opposite direction, right? Means this will be this side, this will be this side. Okay, so this is in figure 4 and figure 2. both, right? So 4 and 2 contain these two circles same near to each other, means here the mirror will be over here, right? Means mirror means water. So these two are okay. Now out of this 2 and 4, which one? Now this square, if you see, the blank part is below. So when you put it in the on the water, the reflection will be, the half part will be above, right? It won't be like this in 2, it will be like in 4, right? So that's why the answer is 4. This is the answer. One important part you have to remember in water image is, the water is always kept below. It can't be kept above or horizontal or vertical anywhere. Okay. Group the given figures into 3 classes using each figure only once. Here it means we have to 3 classes. We have to make 3 groups which are similar. Okay. So just see this 1, 6 and 9. These are similar. These straight lines, these half shaded basically. So 1, 6, 9 is there. Is there any other group which contains 1, 6, 9? No. So D is the only answer. Don't look at 2, 4, 7 and 3, 5, 8 now, because if one is correct, that will be definitely others would be correct. If you want to check, you can check it. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4 and 7, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5 and 8. Okay. So D is the answer. Next, find the odd one amongst the set of figures in the series. See, this is a series and we have to find the odd one. 8, 27, 64, 100, 125, 216, 343. Do you see anything commonality between these? 8, 27. 8 is a cube of 2. 27, 3. 64, 4 cube. 125, 5 cube. 216, 6 cube. 343, 7 cube. 100, no one's cube. So 100 is the odd one. Okay. Count the number of cubes in the given figure. This is the figure and we have to count the number of cubes. See this. You have to imagine. Only imagine over here. Total number of cubes in the bottom row. 1, 2, 3 and this 4. Okay. 4 you can see over here. But below this one, see this. Look at this cursor. Below this one and this one, there is also one more cube. 2 cubes below these two. So 2 more, and below this third cube, this bigger one, there is also one more cube at the end, right? So 3 over there. So 4 plus 3 is 7 in the bottom. Now second row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 you can see. But below this top one, there is one cube in the second row. So that becomes 5. And in the top, it's easy, 2. So 7 plus 5 plus 2, that is 14. So total number of cubes, 14. There are 3 figures X, Y and Z showing the sequence of folding of a piece of paper. See, this is a paper full, now folded over here in the triangle, then again folded. And then figure Z shows the manner in which the folded paper has been cut. It has been, we have given a cut over here and a cut over here. Then select the figure. When you unfold this paper, then how will this look? A, B, C and D is none of the above. So which one? This one, this one, this one, or none of the above? Okay. So when you unfold it, see here, first unfolding, bring it on this side and then on this side. Means first on this diagonal you have to unfold, then on this diagonal you have to unfold. So when you unfold it on this, there is a square, or this is a circular cut. This circular cut will be on both the sides then, over here and here. So they are there in what? A and C. Okay. So the option of this circle is in only A and C. Okay. So B and D are out. Okay. Now remaining D can be there. B is out basically. Okay. Now regarding this triangle, when you unfold this, there would be 2 triangles, and when you unfold this triangle again, it will become a square. So there would be 2 squares. So which one has 2 squares? So this A has 2 squares. C doesn't have 2 squares, so out. So B was out earlier, C is out now, and A, if you see, both the things are there. This becomes a square, these two become a circle. So A is the answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.